Take command of the road in the 2009 Chevrolet Traverse. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.